Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today we are diving into the world of e-commerce and uncovering the secrets of taking your business online successfully. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video has something for everyone looking to thrive in the digital marketplace. Introduction to e-commerce. E-commerce isn't just a trend, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. By establishing an online presence with Orake Technologies, you can reach a wider audience, reduce overhead costs, and provide unmatched convenience for your customers. Choosing the right e commerce platform. With so many e commerce platforms out there, it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your business goals and budget. Orate Technologies offers expert guidance to help you select the perfect platform for your needs. Optimizing your e commerce website. Your website is your digital storefront, so it's essential to make a great first impression. By optimizing your site for speed, accessibility, and persuasive content, you can turn visitors into loyal customers. Setting up your online store. Building your online store is easier than you might think. From selecting a domain name to customizing your storefront, we will walk you through every step of the process. Driving traffic to your online store. Building a beautiful website is only half the battle. To succeed in e commerce, you need to drive targeted traffic to your website and convert visitors into customers. We will show you how to leverage the power of digital marketing to achieve your goals. Managing inventory and fulfillment. Keeping track of inventory and fulfilling orders can be challenging, especially as your business grows. Fortunately, there are tools and strategies available to streamline the process and ensure a seamless experience for you and your customers. Customer service and support. In e commerce, customer service is king. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and building strong relationships, you can turn one time buyers into lifelong brand advocates. Measuring success and iterating. Data is your secret weapon in e commerce. By analyzing key metrics like sales, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs, you can make informed decisions and drive meaningful growth for your business. And that's a wrap on our guide to e commerce success with Orake Technologies. Whether you are just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Orake Technologies is here to support you every step of the way. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and insights. Until next time, happy selling.